Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel and welcome back to Faery Meadows as well. I love it. It's my local spot and I don't come down here, and now I'm down 3 times in close succession. So yeah, there is a reason why I'm down here. I'm only out for about an hour, just over, but I'm going to cut straight to the chase. I'm down here to try and get some wintry feeling images, potentially of some small birds. Now, for those who'd have watched the video that I dedicated to Nan, I managed to find an area where there was quite a lot of small birds, so I'm hoping to get some icier images. Now, the temperatures are at present around, it feels like, of -4, -5. So I look like I'm dressed for an Arctic expedition, but we're going to go see if we can find any of these small birds. The camera's already out to see if I can grab anything prior to reaching that scrubland. It's a little bit quiet on the small bird noise. Can't say I'm surprised because it's rather chilly, but if I can get one shot I'm happy with, that's all that matters. So let's crack on. Okay, let's have a look what's next to the water. That little moorhen. Just put my coffee down. Alright, let's go have a look. She's swimming away now. Come down to the bank a bit. Got some lovely blue tones in the water. I'm not sure if that picture will come out alright though, it's quite some distance away. Not really a wintry shot. Cormorant just flew over. Alright, let's go see if we can actually find those small birds. See if we can get something a bit more wintry. So this is the bridge where usually people grab the pictures of the kingfishers. I still have not seen a kingfisher down here. I'm guessing they sit under the bridge and shoot from down there. Probably with a lot of patience, as I say. Never seen a kingfisher down there. Heron. Just down there in the water. Coffee down. He's fishing. And he's just caught some. Thing is, it's not a great shot anyway because I'm looking down on him. Let's see if I can go between the bars. It might be in my way. I don't know. I might come back to him if there's no small birds. Not the wintry shot I was after, but still, if I can kind of get down under the bridge where people probably take those kingfisher shots from, if he's still there, might get a really nice composition of a heron today. That wouldn't be too bad, even if I don't get my wintry shots. Yeah, you can see already, and look how icy, well, frosty it actually is, isn't it? It's not even icy. All the leaves and stuff are. So hopefully there'll be some small birds in this area make an appearance. Yeah, look at it, beautifully whited out. It's just whether the small birds actually show, because it's so cold. Okay, I'm going to wait around here for a bit. I can hear a little bit of noise. Have a little wander back and forth, see what I can see. Okay, no luck so far with the small birds. Just come for a walk down a different path. Obviously a lot more scrub and stuff down here. There's the sound of a few of the smaller birds. I haven't actually seen any yet. Probably staying warm, and I don't blame them. It's rather fresh this morning. Still got some beautiful colours. No idea what this red stuff is, but it looks really nice. So I don't know if you can actually hear the small bird sound. I think that was a blue tit that just flew off the tree next to me. Because I want to know what that strong sound is there. Oh, I see it. It's right down the back though. And it's gone. That's a shame. Sorry if I'm sniffing a lot, that's that fresh weather. I mean, everything today is perfect for the sort of photograph I want to capture, with the exception of severe lack of birds. As I say, I'm not surprised. It's rather cold. I'll just wander down this way a little bit more. See what we can see. Okay, so just that shot of a blackbird there. There's a cormorant on the river. Yeah, just a nice shot of a blackbird, which I'll have just popped up for you. He was having a whale of a time. Fortunately managed to grab that shot of him there, just resting, but he was digging around in the leaves and everything, so yeah, that was quite nice. So I walked all the way down this path with no luck on the small bird front, unfortunately, and not very wintry shots. That's fine. We'll just keep walking back, see what we see. It's supposed to be perfectly clear skies this morning. That does not look perfectly clear skies to me. I mean, it's still nice and bright, but that shot of the blackbird I think was taken at, yep, ISO 20,000. I mean, in fairness, he was buried in the thick of the trees and overgrowth. Oh man, look at this branch. How awesome would that be with like a robin or something on it? It's got all the frost and stuff still on the dead branches. Well, Might not be dead, but looks quite dead to me. Ah, just a small bird on there. It'd be perfectly lit because the light is coming in that direction. I just don't have the time to wait and see if there's any more activity. Okay, let's head back to that scrub. We're almost there. It's just on this corner here. That's parakeets. Let's keep the noise down and see if any small birds are in this scrub. It's a little bit more chatter than when I was down here to start with. But not much autumnal stuff or wintry stuff. All that frost on those leaves. Yeah, ideally I want something in this scrub here because then the light's behind me. Yeah, still nothing around this bit. Not having much luck with the wintry shots. That's how bird photography goes sometimes, isn't it? That's the thing, come down here that last time and got some cracking shots. Returned down here again to try and recreate that sort of thing with a bit more atmosphere, a bit more wintry sort of feeling to it. And no birds want to come out. Now, as I say, this is my first year of doing wildlife photography, and it's really, I started sort of doing a couple of bits at the start of this year, end of winter, but I have no idea what it's going to be like as I go into winter. This is all new for me. As I say, I've been doing wildlife photography for, well, I got the lens over a year ago, but I only really started getting into the wildlife photography more and more, and must have been the start of this year, February, March time. March was my first trip to Benton Cliffs, so yeah. Oh, I'm gonna come back over the bridge, see if that heron is still there. He's probably gone now. No, he's not. He's still there. Let's see if I can get... Actually, he's still there now. Oh, that's nice. Oh, that's really nice. And it's got the ISO down at 2,500. Right, I'm going to see if I can actually get under the bridge and get a straight on shot of him. Not sure I will, considering I shot that from above the bridge, or on the bridge I should say. I'm actually quite pleased with how that came out. A little wander down here. Be careful in case it's slippery. The mallards are coming over. There he is. All right, let's have a look. Ah, the scrub in the way. But So I managed to get more eye level with him. Thing, he's still just sat there. Hopefully these shots have come out all right. The last lot I've just taken, I've actually dropped the shutter speed down to 1/500th of a second because I'm supporting it on my knee. Give me an ISO of 1250, which is perfect. Looks like he's about to strike. See if I can get a clear shot through the scrub. Come on, Mr. Heron. Let's not fall in the river. Oh, that is pin sharp. That might be my best heron shot yet. Time. 10 to 9. Oh, he's so beautiful. Off he goes. Right. Try and get back above the bridge. Okay, let's just come back and summarise how today has actually gone, because I'm really pleased with how those heron shots look on the back of the camera. So first of all, obviously I wanted to do a more POV style as well. Bring you in with me and join me on the journey. I thought I would give it a whirl and actually see how it went. So hopefully, fingers crossed. If you want to see more stuff like that, obviously let us know in the comments. But yeah, let's summarise. So unfortunately, total failure on trying to grab some wintry sort of feeling images. But you know, we're in November now. I think it's the 21st of November. Yeah, 21st of November. So still plenty of winter time to try and grab a wintry wildlife shot. But yeah, it was one of those unexpected surprises there with the heron. So I'm really, really pleased with that. They're probably better than my pictures from down at Langford Lowfields, where I got the shot of the heron there as well. But man alive, what, that was just unreal. So yeah, so all in all, failed at what I wanted to do, but managed to grab an absolutely corking shot. So yeah, now obviously if you've liked the video, give us the old thumbs up and do drop some subscribe if you don't already, and leave some comments as well. Let me know what you think of the POV style sort of filming, and yeah, this is my account. Take care and be safe, everyone. Peace.